It's Taco Tuesday. I have some chips and salsa right here. Can you pass me a spoon, please? I used to have hard tacos and I have some soft tacos. Thank you. Where did this come from?
Oh, here.
And then
Nobody used that one.
I used some Taco Bell crunchy tacos. And then I made some rice too. It's a cheesy Mexican rice. And then here's one of my tacos, the hard tacos. See, it has meat. I put meat, sour cream, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, and jalapeno peppers. Oh no, wait, I cannot forget some taco sauce. Ooh, that went down the wrong pipe. Chips.
Ew, why did I laugh like that? I swear, I've been laughing weird lately.
Oh my god, I can't even open this.
I have 100 types of laughs.
Can you open this? Oh, got it. Never mind. Alright, let's put some salsa, some sauce, some Taco Bell. This is mild, medium. This is a medium. Yup.
Dude,
I don't like my food too spicy.
what are you
Like a
doing?
little kick and then already has the jalapeno peppers, but
What are you doing?
alright, this is good for now. And let's dig in.
Here, Zeus. Come here, Zeus. Now, I don't know. You can have this.
So
Look,
crunchy.
Mom, just clean my plate. Hey, Zeus. Move, son.
So good.
So good. Zeus, no. Hey. Don't do that, Zeus. What the heck? What's wrong, Zeus? What are you doing? I don't know what they're doing.
They're fixing the gutters.
The what? The shutters?
The leaf gutters. I think that's what they're called. Here, pass me a spoon, please.
Another one?
I used it for the sauce.
Oh my god, Mom.
Thank you.
Look, Zeus wants some of your food. I don't have anything.
Oh, this rice is good.
I don't have anything, Zeus.
Let me show you guys. Still see the steam coming off of it. Oh no, some of my things fell out. Anyways, I really enjoy cooking, so this was so good. It's Taco Tuesday. You finished eating already?
Yeah, I ate 2 full tacos. I just want to try some of this.
Alright, let's try a soft taco now.
I didn't even pick up nothing, bro.
Has the same thing. Ooh. Hold on.
Look at Zeus, bro. I would want some
Oh wait, I did. I didn't put sauce in this. No, honey.
Look at that deliciousness, bro.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna become a mukbanger. How you say that?
Mukbang.
I can't do that. Are those the ladders we used to get on the roof?
Mm-hmm.
Those ladders are not stable. I was getting on the roof, I almost fell down.
After I put jalapeno peppers in my soft taco.
We can't have some. Did you see Drew's eyes? Look. His right eye is two different colors and his left eye is the same color.
Mm-hmm. That's
Ow.
a trait of huskies.
They're so cute. Mom, Antenna and Zeus need to have puppies. Their puppies would be worth like $1,000. Because Husky and German Shepherd, those are the two most expensive dog breeds. And if you breed them together, they make $1,000 puppies. We can sell the puppies. Anybody would want a Husky and German Shepherd dog mix? Just German Shepherd puppies are worth $1,000. Antenna is worth like $2,000. She's already an adult dog and she's trained.
Antenna's worth more than $1,000. Sorry.
I said 2,000 around. German Shepherds can range from $1,000 to $5,000. It depends on their age.
You
and
don't
their
understand what I'm
training.
trying to say.
Her dog. Wait, she's worth more than
She's
$1,000?
priceless.
She's priceless. I'm gonna go watch YouTube. I did my chores. I cleaned the kitchen and the bathroom. And I did my schoolwork, so good night. I'm just kidding. I'm about to just go watch Hulu. It's gonna rain. Sky texted me, hey, are you at home?
You nosy.
Hmm?
You nosy.
How am I nosy? I said Sky texted me. What'd you think I said? Is it true that raisins are just dried up grapes?
Mm-hmm.
That's what Sky told us the other day. We were home alone, right? Because Cassidy went to the gym. And Lucy and Sky were sitting outside. They were talking. So I was in the room doing my hair. I was like, it's very quiet in the house. I wonder where they are. So I came out here. And I heard Sky say that raisins are just dried up grapes. And Lucy was like, I like grapes, but not raisins. I was like, me too. I don't like raisins. And then he made grilled cheese with raisins for him. I was like, raisins? That's a big no-no. I'll pass on raisins.
I'll pass on raisins too.
And you also found out that the skin of an orange is the pulp of orange juice. Like, the skin of an actual orange, the skin is the pulp of orange juice. I found that out the other day with Sky. Because Sky asked me, Sky was like, does Lucy like pulp and orange juice? I said, no, none of us do. He was like, oh, that's why she's not eating the skin of the orange. She just ate what was inside and left the skin of the orange alone. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like, not this outside skin. I was like, what the heck?
Mm-hmm.
I learned 2 new things from Sky.
I get what you're saying.
Yes, like not the actual outside skin. Yeah, that. She left that. I was like, what the heck? And I found out that's the pulp of the orange juice. That's why she doesn't like it.
I didn't know that either.
I mean, I don't like it either, but I eat it because it only makes sense to eat it all together. But I wouldn't drink pulp with orange juice. That's just, it's like the, ew, no. Texture of it in
That's
your
what I
mouth
was
is
saying. You don't
weird.
like the texture?
Yeah. It's like if you're just eating a whole bunch of little bugs inside your mouth, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make a TikTok.
Can you pass me some? Never mind, I got it. We got it right here. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped the plate. Damn, I didn't put tomatoes in this one either. Alright. Some sauce. It's really good. I'm gonna finish up this rice. Oops. And last but not least, soft taco. Hey, Sue. You guys want to see Sue? Say hi, Sue. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Yeah, that's fine. I don't want this deliciousness to end. Every time I eat spicy food, my nose gets a little runny. I don't know. What are you doing? As soon as I feel your hot breath on me, I feel his hot breath on me. Okay. Let me finish this because I am getting full. Put a little crunch in this. No! No man left behind. I'm full. I'm full, so it's like really full. All done. Damn. Who else always manages to dirty themselves when they eat? That was good. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, I like this little glare. Let me see. I hate when food gets stuck in your teeth. Ugh. Excuse me. Okay. That was delicious, and I hope you guys are enjoying Taco Tuesday. If you haven't eaten tacos today, go eat tacos.